don't forget to keep spraying your cleaner on there. And I'm using something called Energy Plus. And it's this material right here. It came in a 5-gallon bucket, and I'm using concentrate and putting it into that little spray bottle. But you could use orange cleaner, simple green, anything like a degreaser to try to loosen this tar substance up. Okay, it's kind of weird, isn't it, how this job morphed into something else, because initially I was planning on using this Henry product, Unipro Universal Patch and Skim Coat. I was going to use that and skim over all of these tiles, these floor tiles, to make the whole floor look like a brand new concrete floor. But then we had a leak over here, and then I realized that these tiles were coming up really super easy, because I had to take these out from where the water was, and then they just all started popping up, and I thought, you know what, maybe I should take those out. So I did a test first in here, took those out, took this out here, and I think, you know, I still have to kind of put a sponge on here that's got lots of my black tar substance on it, and go back over this and not wipe them off as clean with clean water at the end. Then I won't see the lines between the tiles that had been removed. Okay, that's what I'm going to end up doing in all the other rooms. And yeah, it just kind of went that way. And so now I can take all of my material back, you know, that I was going to use. I'm kind of disappointed in a way that I'm not going to be able to use that, because I wanted to try that out and see how that was going to work, being a finished floor and staining it and sealing it, you know. But I got 4 bags of that. That was almost $100. I got my trowel for that. I got some sort of putty knife to get around the edges. I got extra masking tape to keep it off the base. Now I can take all that stuff back, and I can invest in some more razor blades for my razor scraper, and then I'm going to get a taller razor scraper too. I'm not going to let that stop me though for today. I'm going to keep using that small one and get this rest of this little floor done in this bedroom. Just this little section here, I'm going to concentrate on that next. And I just sprayed the cleaner on there. I should have sprayed that a little bit earlier. So what do you suppose I'm doing while I'm waiting for that to dry for the next 20 minutes and 25 minutes? Yes, I've moved this stuff over off of the tile here, and I'm going to start scraping up more of these tiles. I've already shown you how to do that. If you haven't seen that, check my channel out, because all of these videos are here for you. Hey, speaking of a job morphing out into something else, I know the best laid plans for your next project. You might be looking at it and have it all figured out, and then you come into a problem. Oh, this happened, that happened, I wasn't planning on this, I wasn't planning on that. Maybe I should do this, and I knew I shouldn't have done it. I knew I should have just paid somebody to do the money, but yet I didn't have the money for that, and I really wanted to save the money. Now I've got my hands full of a project that has gotten twice as big, or it's done differently now than I had initially planned. Okay? If something like that happens to you, just move forward. Just know that sometimes things like that happen. You're better than that. You can figure it out, and you can still get your job done. You can still make additional plans, revised plans, whatever you have to do. If you got to go back to the store and get different materials, take other materials back, let's say, whatever you got to do, that's just part of the project, okay? Overall, you're going to save money doing it yourself. You're going to learn different things about yourself, about the different things that you can do, that you can't do, that you will never do again, that you hate to do, that you're glad you only have to do one time. But you know what? After that, you're going to feel good about it, knowing that you can do it. And just think, again, whatever I put on my channel, if I don't think you can do it, I'm not going to show it.